Have you stopped by Madres Brunch, newest location in Long Beach? If you haven't stopped by, it's a must for you to stop by. They have all your favorite brunch classics. The plate sizes are pretty big. You can actually share if you're going with your family or friends. They also have the tasty flights of margaritas, mimosas, and lattes that you...
What's going on, my good people? I'm hoping everybody having a great and lovely day. Man, this gas prices is crazy. Y'all done came to this gas station. The gas is too much. $4.49. It's crazy. But anyway, this month it's my son's birthday month. So today is my son's birthday, March 28th. So we're going to fill up, get some gas, and we about to go have breakfast at this place that I've been seeing on Instagram, and we're gonna rate them and see if their food is good, and just enjoy ourselves for the day. So like I said, today is my son's birthday, and we about to go eat breakfast and enjoy the rest of the day. So stay with me all the way to the end. Let's go. Man, they're doing a lot of construction down here. When did they start building this stuff? Yeah, so I had to turn down the volume because, copywriting or whatever. So right here, he told me it's going to take 10 minutes for us to get in. So I'm like, I might as well just take my son some pictures. Amir, come on. Yeah, so they called us. We go up in here. They for to sit us down. So look at him. He just can't stay still. So we about to sit down or whatever. And then right here, he want to go over here with these ladies. I'm like, stay over here, man. Move over. But now I know why he wanted to go over there with them. Just stay to the end. You'll see. What you want to eat? You want waffle or pancake? You want pancake? Can I get the Fruity Pebble?
Yeah, the Homo?
Yeah.
Pebble pancakes?
Yeah. Is this the pancakes? That's it?
It's just pancakes, yeah. You want like eggs and bacon on the side?
Nah, I don't want no eggs, but let me get Fruity you got turkey bacon?
No, sir. I just got pork bacon, pork sausage.
Everything pork, yeah, I'm cool. Let me get hash brown.
That's not okay. There's only like 2 little trays of the price for that juice. Okay?
Yeah, that's right. And can I get a side of bacon and eggs?
Think. Look, it's somebody's birthday like yours. Look, over here, it's their birthday. Like how it's your birthday. Look. Another birthday in here. Another birthday, look, see, look. What is that? That's French toast? Bruh, they should have gave you one of those. And what's this? This is... right here. You ready for them? Give me yours.
Alright, ready, bud? Look, check this out.
Look, Denny, look. Oh.
The rest should be coming right out, right?
It's good. Bite it, bite it, bite it. You like it? I think you like it. So we ordered. We ordered. We only spent $56. Not bad.
What's his name?
Amiri.
Amiri?
Yeah.
We're gonna sing happy birthday to Amiri, okay? Be careful, it's gonna go on fire. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
Dear Amiri. Happy birthday to you. Another birthday. Well, it's both of their birthdays. Hey, wait, it's both of y'all birthdays? Hey, look, today is his birthday and my sister's birthday. Cause happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. The reason why he was trying to go over there because all their birthday was today. Yeah, man, that's it, man. So, the place that we went to eat at, it was cool. It was a good experience, but I'm just I'm just so happy to spend my day with my son. Today's his birthday, and we about to go have some more fun as soon as he wake up, because he sleep now. You know how kids do. As soon as they get in the car, they go right to sleep.